Hi there guys. Today I'm going to show you how to actually download a theme that you have as a zip file. Follow along till the end of the video. So first of all, here is my theme downloaded right here. It's actually a zip file. You see, don't ever unzip the file, leave it as it is. And I want to show you this method if you are using Elementor, anything like that. Head to your theme section and go to themes. Right here, you're gonna have the add new button. In the add new button, right here, click on upload theme. Drag the theme that you have to the place that you want. As you said, make sure it's a zip file. After that, click on install now. Keep in mind that this is our current theme, so let's reload the page, and as you can see, it's still working. But once our theme is successfully installed, we will click on activate and we will be good to go. As you can see right here, the theme is actually uploading and it's kind of installing. So, as I said, after the theme is successfully installed, you will click on activate after it appears. Keep in mind that themes is something that you usually don't play with a lot to not break your website. If you notice already, you can see the website is kind of broken right here, where hello world isn't really organized. So now after our installing theme for upload file, as I said, .zip is successful, click on activate. But before we do that, let's preview it. This is what our website will look like in the future. So here it is, as you can see, and here it is. Let's click on activate and publish, or we can click that from activate right here. Now let's close this tab and let's refresh our current tab. Now, here it is. Our website has successfully changed. Thanks for watching and goodbye.